Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get around a potentially problematic issue in powerquery. So you've downloaded your data, you've got it into powerquery, but if you look at the dates, you've got years in one row, months in another row. Ideally, you'd be able to just merge them together vertically and make it work, right? So that's not something I can do in one form, but I can fix this to make it work. So for starters, what I'm going to do is transpose this data. So if I go to the transform tab, there's an option to transform to flip it. And so now we've got column 1 and column 2. So one's for the year, one's for the month. Now we can merge these columns together. And so to do that, you can just select both of them and right click, select merge columns. And let's say you want to break them up by space, you can do that. Now, the one thing is, though, you may not want year space month, right? You'd probably prefer month and then year. Now, the one thing, one way around that is it doesn't matter necessarily the order. It matters the order that you select them in. So if I select column 2, hold Control, and then select column 1, and now I click merge, it's going to do month and then year. So I'm still going to select space as my separator. But see, now I've got month, then year. So it doesn't necessarily matter which one's on which side of each other. It matters the order that you select them and click them. And so now that I've got them merged together, I can go back to transposing them one more time. And now just like that, now I've got my dates up going across here all in one row. So even though I couldn't combine them vertically, you transpose them, merge them, transpose it back. And so now I've got my dates in a format that makes sense. And if I go to the home tab, I can use my first row as my headers. And now I've got my dates here, just as you'd probably want to have them in the first place, as opposed to having them split on multiple rows. So really easy trick to do in powerquery to do that, to fix that issue. So here we had this situation where we had our dates split across 2 rows. So the first step is to flip it, then combine them, and then flip them back. And then it's just a matter of promoting them. And now you should be good to go for analyzing your data in powerquery using dates that make a lot more sense. If you like this video, please make sure to hit a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.